with no need to replace batteries or other maintenance. Lyric soft material contours to your ear canal and delivers exceptional sound quality, allowing you to enjoy better hearing discreetly. Find out if Lyric is right for you. Call Boardwick Audiology Group at 410-668-9198.
Smart Energy. It's an every energy-saving feature you install in your home. It's what businesses get when they switch to more efficient lighting. It's there when BGE proves safe with its low power.